Fix Instagram Review Your Contact Info Problem 2026. If Instagram is suddenly asking you to review your contact info and you can't get past it, don't panic. This is one of the most common account issues in 2026, and in the next 2.5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling that frustrating Instagram prompt that says, review your contact info, the one that blocks you from using the app until you deal with it. We'll walk through why it happens and the exact steps to clear it for good. Step 1, open Instagram, and when that prompt appears, tap review. Don't close it or try to skip it. Instagram needs you to engage with it directly. Step 2, check the email address and phone number shown on screen. Instagram is flagging these because they may be outdated, unverified, or linked to suspicious activity. Confirm whether the details are still yours. Step 3, if the information is correct, tap This is correct or confirm. Instagram will verify it and the prompt should disappear immediately. Step 4, if the information is wrong or outdated, tap Edit and update it with your current email or phone number. Make sure you have access to that email or number right now because Instagram will send a verification code. Step 5, enter the verification code you receive, hit confirm, and you're done. Your account should be fully unlocked. Step 6, if the prompt keeps coming back, go to your profile, tap the 3 lines, go to settings, then account, then personal information. And make sure everything there is saved and verified correctly. Pro tip, always keep both an email and a phone number linked to your Instagram account. Accounts with only one contact method are far more likely to trigger this review prompt, especially after Instagram's security updates in 2026. And that's it. You now know exactly how to fix the review your contact info issue on Instagram. Confirm your details, verify the code, and update anything that's outdated. Super simple once you know where to look. If this helped you out, drop a thumbs up, subscribe so you never miss a fix like this, and let me know in the comments. Did this solve your problem or are you still seeing the prompt? I'll reply and help you out.